Hey Bells, it's your girl Melissa Danielle, looking crazy, but we're going to fix that. I'm bringing you guys a hair tutorial. It's a quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be using this new Oats and Honey line from Mielle Organics. They did send me this to review. All opinions are my own. So this is their Oats and Honey collection, and this is going to be designed for those who have sensitive scalps or who need help with itching or dryness. This is going to help with all that. It has extra soothing properties inside, which is, of course, the Oats and Honey. So right now I'm just showing you I am washing my hair with the product. As you guys can see, it gets very sudsy. I'm also going to use the conditioner and the soothing leave-in conditioner to try to get my curls back and get it hydrated. It is helping with my curls. I have 4C hair. My hair is normally just a knot. And I went to sleep without stretching my hair. So guys, don't judge me. So I'm going to stretch it right now. I'm just using some water, and I'm going to use a soothing hair balm in my hair to get it a little bit softer and more flexible and able for me to stretch it. Because right now, in the state that it's in, I cannot get it into a ponytail. So I've learned that putting a little bit of water on my hair and some kind of conditioning product really helps me stretch my hair. So now I'm going to use a wide tooth comb. I'm going to detangle my hair starting at the ends, working towards the roots. So back to this product, you guys. Like I said, these are from Mielle Organics. They're non-stripping. They're not going to irritate your scalp or damage your scalp. And they're very affordable. I've also seen Mielle at like Target, so you can go get it there. I'll have a link for it so you can get it online. You can get the individual products or you can get it in a bundle. I don't know if I told you guys this before, but I was born with a condition where I wasn't supposed to have any hair. And I actually came out with a head full of hair. And then over the years, my mom had to treat my scalp because I always had so many issues with my scalp. Even now, you guys know, I told you before, I suffer with hereditary baldness on top. So me trying to treat my hair and treat my scalp and trying to maintain my hair, it is always a process. And my scalp is always irritated. And I find that these products are really soothing and comforting on my scalp. And that's because I'm not getting paid to say that. This is not sponsored. They just sent me the products to review. But I find these products to be really soothing on my scalp. I'm using this long braiding hair because I want to make some space buns in my head. This hair is ridiculously long. So we're going to cut it in half. It's like 96 inches. This is like down to the back of your kneecaps. You know what I'm saying? It's too long. So I'm just going to cut that into halves. And then my hair is already getting dry because my hair sucks up water like a old dirty sponge. So I'm going to put some more water in there. I'm going to put some gel on my hair and get this hair slicked up into a ponytail. All the products I'm using will be listed down below in the description bar. So make sure to check out down there if you have any questions about what I used in my hair today. So I'm just using a boar bristle brush to get my hair as straight as possible. Like my hair, I need a trim. Like I've been so scared to trim my hair because it's growing, you know, and I don't want to cut anything off. But I also know if I don't trim it, the split ends is going to go all the way through my hair, and I don't want that to happen. So I am going to trim it. Oh, and guys, oh my God. I didn't realize it until I took my hair down that I put rubber bands in my hair. I don't use rubber bands in my hair because they cause breakage. So don't do that, even though I'm doing that in the video. Don't do that. Normally, I just use hair binders. I'll show you when I put the weave in my hair, you'll see. But don't use rubber bands in your hair because they strip your hair and break your hair off. So I'm just putting some hairspray in my hair to help control the flyaways and get it as straight as possible. I'm using my fine tooth comb to comb that through. And I'm going to use my blow dryer to get it instantly set because I can't let it dry naturally because it just frizzes back up again. That's how my hair is. It gets really coily real quick. So I'm just using that blow dryer to get like that first layer dry. I'm going to put some in the back of my head as well. And then when I get done with everything, we're going to put a satin scarf on and let it dry. So let me go do the other side. So yeah, we're applying that satin scarf to let it dry. And then while it's drying, I'm just going to complete the rest of my hair. I didn't drench my hair with water, so it's not soaking wet, but like there is gel and hairspray, so you want that part to dry. So this is the binder I was telling you guys about. I normally use binders like this in my hair because when I take them out, I don't have broken off hair on them. There's no metal pieces or anything. Anyways, I'm going to take that braiding hair and cover up my bun so that people can't see my little itty bitty, like tiny whiny ponytail. And I'm going to start twisting this hair into a 2-strand twist. So once that's done, I'm going to start twisting the hair around my ponytail, keeping the hair tight. So keep twisting it even while you're twisting it around your bun. And then once you get around to the front, we're just going to tuck the ends underneath. And that's all I did. I didn't have to put any additional rubber binders on my hair. It just stayed in place with me tucking the ends underneath. And it came out really cute. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to make these ponytails twins. Well, I hate to say twins because they're not like identical, but even identical twins aren't necessarily identical. You can sort of tell them apart. Anyways, but we're going to put, I'm so goofy. We're going to put the ponytail in on the other side, do the 2-strand twist, and wrap it around like we did the first one. Guys, can we get a round of applause for the beat face? I mean, come on. This has happened, like, it just happened. But I love the way it's looked. I was worried it was going to be too dark, like looking sort of fallish, but I really like the way his makeup came out. So we can see, like, the ponytails they twins in. Like, they're not identical per se, but they twins and, they sisters. They from the same family, You can stop here if you want to. Like, you can just leave the buns. You can do some baby hairs if you want to. However, I'm going to do a bang. Now, normally I would do a yaki bang, but I could not find that little bang to save my life. And I pulled all my hair and wigs out. I couldn't find it. It's here somewhere. So I'm going to use this bang instead. This is more of a silky texture. It's not yaki, so I gotta make it blend somehow. This one has 3 combs. I do love that because then I don't have to worry about it blowing up in the front and showing my natural hair. But I'm going to put some dry shampoo on this to sort of mute that shine and make it look a little bit more textured. I'm just going to comb that through to make sure it's evenly distributed. And we're going to slap this baby on our forehead. Now, with this bang, the color and texture are definitely different from my hair. This is so cute. I can wear it without a bang, too, if I want to. Maybe next time. Anyways, but the texture is different from the buns. However, it's still cute. It's still working. And like I said, if you have a yaki texture bang, you can do that, too. But I'm actually sort of happy that I wore this bang because I love the whole curtain bang look. But yeah, I like the way this bang actually looks. And I think it blended for the most part. Like, if you're looking that hard to look at the textures of my hair, you can see what you need to see, baby. Because, like, I'm not trying to impress nobody. Like, as long as I'm loving it, you should love it, too. This is how the hair looks. So I need to go ahead and put on some earrings. Bada bing, bada boom. And this is the finished look. I'm going to show you guys the back. Oh, my God. Like, the back be so hard. Like, I hate showing my kitchen. That was, like, one of the main reasons I used to perm my hair because this kitchen and these edges, they be fighting with me. But I'm going to show you guys the back. I don't know. I ain't got no shame in my game. I keep it 100. So this is the back of the hair. Oh, that went by real quick. But that was the back of the hair. And this is the finished look. I love you guys so much. I will put the Mielle Organics products down below in the description bar with all the other products used in this video. If you have any questions or comments I did not answer, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. I love you guys so stinking much. Truly, honestly. And I will catch you next video. So until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah. Bye.